Hey, it's Clay, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol SHLL. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. Not sure what I mean by 30-minute. I do offer an explanation video at that link. Well, what was looking like a very, very nasty and brutal day turned out to be quite respectable. And when I say nasty and brutal, keep in mind that from a candlestick perspective, at one point, this whole thing was a big old red candle. Talking about a red candle, and I'm using yellow. Can you tell it's Friday? There we go. This thing was a big old red candle. So that means the price was actually all the way down there at some point in time. That was a big solid red candle. But to give credit where credit's due, the price has since bounced back up, upwards, which also took it back above that green line, which I've talked about in past videos as being an important area of support. So right here, $44 has once again proven to be a good stubborn level. You can see right there on Thursday it held, and then a couple of times again this morning on Friday, the price once again held that level. So going forward, that $44 mark remains that main level of support that you definitely want to see continue to hold strong. But like I said, so far so good. Yeah, the price temporarily was broke below it, but that didn't last very long. And then, as the chart shows us, the price not only got back above it, but snapped very much so back in the upwards direction, and ultimately separated well up above it. I do want to map out just the more so general overarching level of support, and that's going to be the pink line down here, which on my chart denotes the very known and famous 200 period moving average. So keep an eye on that. Not really relevant right now, but I just kind of want to throw it out there now that the week has been wrapped up. Now, in the event the price continues to work its way upwards, let's talk about a couple areas of resistance. First key area of resistance on any sort of attempted movement back to the upside is going to be right here at the $55 mark. And then after 55, nothing fancy or complicated, just simply where the party stopped a few days ago. And that was up there right around 58.50. But all in all, the trend continues. After what was looking like a potentially very rough day, the price turned around nicely. So let's see if the bulls can build upon that momentum next week. First off, thanks so much for watching the entire video. Real quick, before you go, I want to invite you to a live webinar, web class, training, workshop, online event, whatever you want to call it, but it will be me live revealing to you what I've discovered that has allowed me to transform myself from being an employee to being my own boss, including how I had only one losing day out of 73 days in total. I'm going to cover 3 keys that have helped me unlock profitable consistency within the markets. The first key is super weird, but in a productive type of way. The second key is super awesome because it quite literally is wired into our DNA as humans, making it very easy to use. But in a cruel way, this becomes a pitfall for many traders. I'll explain it all though, including how to avoid the pitfall that it creates for some. And yeah, the third key, when you hear it, sounds way too good to be true, but it's not, and I'll show you how it all works. Then at the end, I open it up for a question and answer session that is, again, totally live. Even if you can't make the live session, please still sign up as it will be recorded, and you can go back and watch the replay that I will send you. Click the image on the screen or click the link down in the description box so you can get the date and time and claim your spot, which I should note is limited due to the fact that this truly is a live event. If you have any questions, let me know. If not, I'll be seeing you soon.